In a world filled with chaos and strife, we find strength to navigate life. With resilience and hope we stand, united hand in hand. Through trials and tribulations, we rise above limitations. With compassion and empathy, we create a world of unity. In the face of adversity, we find the power to set ourselves free. With determination and grace, we'll overcome any obstacle we face. Together we'll build a brighter tomorrow, filled with love, joy, and no sorrow. With kindness as our guiding light, we'll make the world shine bright. So let's spread love and understanding, and make the world more outstanding. With every act of kindness we show, we'll make the world a better place to grow. Remember, you have the power within to make a difference. Let your light begin. With hope in your heart, you'll find strength to inspire and be kind. In this world, let's be the change, and create a future that's truly strange. A world where love and peace prevail, where every heart can tell the tale. Together we can make a difference, and bring about true existence. Let's motivate and inspire, and set the world on fire.